Hey, welcome to the show. Today on the show, we will have 3 cases for the Galaxy S21, the S21, the S21 Plus, and the S21 Ultra. We're going to do a quick unboxing, and we're going to tell you all about it. Stay tuned. Hey, thanks for joining the show today. We have 3 brand new cases from a company called Clayco. They are for the S21, the S21 Plus, and the S21 Ultra. Let's start with the S21. All right, this is for the Galaxy S21. You can see the back here for the camera. Let's open this up to take a look at it. Very easy to detach this part here. And we'll take the plastic off. When I'm taking that off, you can see right here that there is a part right there, and that is for your fingerprint. When you're using the screen and it has already a built-in screen protector, you're going to put your phone in here, and then you're going to go ahead and snap it in just like this. So you can see right here it has a hole for the microphone, and here is the place for the camera. Has a beveled edge, so that way when you put it on a counter like this, it will not get scratched. It also has a beveled edge for the screen, so that is super nice. I love the feel of this. So let's take a look at the S21 Plus, and all these phone cases come very well sealed and protected. Just take the outer cover off, snap it apart right here. And right here, you'll see that there's a little sticker right there. You take that off when you're ready to use it, so you can use your fingerprint on the built-in screen protector. So right here is the Galaxy S21 and the S21 Plus. So let's go ahead and unbox, and I'm so excited because I'm getting this in a few weeks, the S21 Ultra. So make sure you stay tuned to my channel. I should be one of the very first people to get the phone, and super excited, and I have a lot of cool tips and tricks on this new phone coming out. So, oh wow, this is so nice. I love the feel of this rubber. Look at this. It's squishy. It's not super hard, but it looks like it's going to do a great job protecting the phone, but it's a nice feeling rubber. So I'm going to go ahead and take the top level off. Once again, you put your phone right here, and then you snap it right into place. Very nice. Now, some cases, their outer cover, this will be like a harder plastic. This, on this phone case right here, is a softer plastic. It feels really nice in the hand. And let's take a look at the camera part right there. You can see the beveled edge. And here we have the S21, the S21 Plus, and the S21 Ultra. These phone cases have a built-in screen protector. They also are military-grade drop protection, which makes them very tough, very rugged. And they have a raised bevel for the camera and your display. And they are wireless charging compatible. Hey, the Galaxy S21 is an awesome phone, and what better way to protect it is with these cases from Clayco. There is one for the S21 and the S21 Plus and the S21 Ultra. Make sure you check out the link down below. I will have a link that you can find these on Amazon. They also have other phone cases for all your needs. And make sure you hit like and subscribe, because I'm going to have all kinds of new videos on the Galaxy S21. Lots of tips and tricks. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show. And like always, have a fun day. Adios. Bye-bye.